General Manager of Shanghai Crafter Housewares. Let me introduce the more details of our stainless steel thermos factory.
We are a powerful and reliable stainless steel thermos factory, which have passed BSCI ISO 9001 authentication. We have 20 years manufacturing experience, covers an area of 70,000 square meters. We have 15 auto production lines, producing 1.8 million pieces bottles per month. After years developing, we have become a huge, one-stop stainless steel thermos manufacturer.
Automatic is a key competition for nowadays manufacturing. Most of our production line is automatic. This will benefit our customers a stable quality and a competitive price.
While stainless steel coil comes into our warehouse, then our auto tube making line welding the flat stainless steel to high-quantity tubes. Meanwhile, the tube will be cut into a correct size for next process. After that, our automatic mental working line makes the tubes to be inner and outer cup bodies. Before, 18 workers can only producing 7,000 pieces per day. Now this automatic line can produce 12,000 pieces per day and only need 2 workers. Meanwhile, we have developed automatic stretching, automatic polishing, automatic welding. Every process will be auto in the future. Although automatic machine make every product in same finishing, we still have QC check the key quality process, such as size of the key parts, installation performance test, electrolysis quality checking, polishing checking, laboratory tests, and etc.
We invested our own lawful electrolysis working shop. This is an important guarantee for delivering qualified goods to customers on time.
Furthermore, tool making, high-level oil painting, and powder coating producing line, even various printing and laser process are all invested in our own working shop. They surely give customers better quality and low cost, as well as keep design secret.